Howdy everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you guys some Gindasunok today, which is numbers. I'm going to teach you guys how to count from basic to Ingudwak, which is 1 to 100. So I'm first going to teach you how to count from 1 to 10. Number 1 is basic. Basic. And there is dialect differences that you will see within the language. You'll hear some people say basic or basic. So K and G are interchangeable in the Ojibwe language. You'll hear people say kawin or gawin. It honestly just depends where you're from. Anyways, let's get back to counting. Number 2 is nij. Nij. Number 3 is nswe. Nswe. I was just editing, but I also wanted to say that for number 3, some people also say sway. They just shorten it, even though nswe is already short as it is. I just wanted to let you guys know. Number 4 is niwin. Niwin. Number 5 is nanin. Nanin. Number 6 is Ungudwaswe. Ungudwaswe. Number 7 is Nijwaswe. There's a fruit fly. Nijwaswe. Number 8 is Nchwaswe. Nchwaswe. Sorry, my dog's itching in the background. Number 9 is Jongswe. Jongswe. Number 10 is Baraswe. Baraswe. So how you say the double digit numbers, you just need to know like how to say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 in Anishinaabemowin, and also know how to say your single digit numbers, and you'll be set with learning numbers 1 through 99. So what I'm talking about is how to say 11. You say Madaswe Shabajik. So Madaswe is 10 and Bajik is 1. So all you're doing is saying sh in the middle of it, which kind of means and. So you just say Madaswe Shabajik, and that's 11. And I'll go through the rest of them for you, 11 through 19. So number 12 is Madaswe Shanij. Madaswe Shanij. Number 13 is Madaswe Shittinswe. Madaswe Shittinswe. Number 14 is Madaswe Shaniwin. Madaswe Shaniwin. Number 15 is Madaswe Shananin. Madaswe Shananin. Number 16 is Madaswe Shittingudwaswe. Madaswe Shittingudwaswe. Number 17 is Madaswe Shanijwaswe. Madaswe Shanijwaswe. Number 18 is Madaswe Shittinchwaswe. Madaswe Shittinchwaswe. Number 19 is Madaswe Shijongswe. Madaswe Shijongswe. So you see what I'm talking about? All you need to know is the first double digit number, like 10, is Madaswe, and then you need to know the single digit number. So all you say is Madaswe, whatever the single number is that you're trying to say. And this also goes for the rest of the double digit numbers that I'm going to teach you. So how you say 20 is Nishtana. Nishtana. 21 is Nishtana Shabajik. Number 22 is Nishtana Shanij. Nishtana Shanij. Number 23 is Nishtana Shittinswe. Nishtana Shittinswe. Number 24 is Nishtana Shaniwin. Nishtana Shaniwin. Number 25 is Nishtana Shananin. Nishtana Shananin. Number 26 is Nishtana Shittingudwaswe. Nishtana Shittingudwaswe. Number 27 is Nishtana Shanijwaswe. Nishtana Shanijwaswe. Number 28 is Nishtana Shittenjwaswe. Nishtana Shittenjwaswe. Number 29 is Nishtana Shijongswe. Nishtana Shijongswe. And those are numbers 20 through 29. And I'm going to keep repeating this, but I just want it to stick in your guys' head that all you need to know is the double digit number and the single number. And you just put them together. You just, but with like the shit in the middle. So how we say 30, my freaking mouth is getting parched just talking. And I'm sorry for all the fruit flies. It's like fruit fly season. This happens like every year in like any of the houses that we've had. It's like fruit fly season around this time. Like you don't even have to have food in the room and there's fruit flies around. But anyways, on to 30. Insimtana. Insimtana. That's how you say 30. And how you say 31 is Insimtana Shabajik. Insimtana Shabajik. And how you say 32 is Insimtana Shanij. Insimtana Shanij. And how you say 33 is Insimtana Shittenswe. Insimtana Shittenswe. And then how you say 34 is Insimtana Shaniwin. Insimtana Shaniwin. How you say 35 is Insimtana Shananin. Insimtana Shananin. How you say 36 is Insimtana Shittengudwaswe. Insimtana Shittengudwaswe. How you say 37 is Insimtana Shanijwaswe. Insimtana Shanijwaswe. How you say 38 is Insimtana Shittenchwaswe. Insimtana Shittenchwaswe. How you say 39 is Insimtana Shijongswe. Insimtana Shijongswe. So you see what I'm getting at here is that you just need to know the beginning numbers like Madaswe, 10, 20, Nishtana, and you just add sh and then the single number, and there you have the numbers. So I'm not going to repeat like all of the double digit numbers like 44, 45, 46, 47 and so on. Like I'll just give you like the beginning digit number, and yeah, if you have any questions, if like I confuse you guys, just comment in the comment section and I'll clarify. But now we're going on to 40. So how you say 40 is Nimtana. Nimtana. And I'll give a couple of examples of some 40 numbers. To say 44 would be Nimtana Shaniwin. Nimtana Shaniwin. And how to say 46 would be like Nimtana Shittengudwaswe. Nimtana Shittengudwaswe. So those are, that's how you say 40, and like a couple examples of different 40 numbers in there. So now we're moving on to 50. So how you say 50 is non-mitna. Non-mitna. How you say 51 would be non-mitna shabajik. Non-mitna shabajik. And how you would say 59 is non-mitna shijongswe. Non-mitna shijongswe. And then how you would say 60 is Ungudwasmitna. Ungudwasmitna. And an example of some 60 numbers is 63 would be Ungudwasmitna Shittenswe. Ungudwasmitna Shittenswe. And how you would say 66 is Ungudwasmitna Shittengudwaswe. Ungudwasmitna Shittengudwaswe. And then moving on to 70, how you would say 70 is Nijwasmitna. Nijwasmitna. And some 70 number examples would be 73 Nijwasmitna Shittenswe. Nijwasmitna Shittenswe. And then another example of a 70 number would be 79. Nijwasmitna shijangswe. Nijwasmitna shijangswe. Moving on to 80. How you would say 80 is Nishwasmitna. And some 80 number examples would be 81. 81 would be Nishwasmitna Shibeshik. 82 would be Nishwasmitna Shanish. And then let's do one more example of an 80 number. 85 would be Nishwasmitna Shananin. Nishwasmitna Shananin. And then how you would say 90 is Zhongsmitna. Sorry, my siblings are talking upstairs. And some 90 examples would be 92. 92 would be Zhongsmitna Shanish. 94 would be Zhongsmitna Shaniwin. Number 96 would be Zhongsmitna Shitngudawaswe. And then how you say 100 is in good walk. But yeah, that's 1 through 100. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys do not know how many times I've deleted and re-recorded this video just because like I felt like I wasn't really explaining it well, but I hope I explained it better in this video. If you have any questions about any of the numbers, you can just comment down below and I'll clarify for you guys. If you guys want another Anishinaabemowin video on Gindasmanok, I can upload more. I can help you guys count up from 100 to 1,000. I'm pretty sure, yeah, 100 to 1,000 I can help you guys. But today I just wanted to give you guys the basics of 1 through 100, basic through in good walk. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video, and if you liked it, please give it a likes up. Please give it a like. Have a good rest of the week, and Mama P. See you later.